Hi everyone, today we are doing the Seven Sisters Trail, which is down in the South Downs, down near Eastbourne. It's going to be hiking up the cliffs and down the cliffs. Look at that view. It's like a deserted beach pretty much. Got the cliffs, got the rivers, Seven Sisters, got the lakes. Cheers. Look at that down there, it's like a mirage. There's a cliff, but it looks like there's a beach with the sea. And if you had a few drinks, you might be mistaken. Take a bit of a plunge. How you doing, man? You alright? How'd you find the walk?
It's some places it's harder.
Yeah?
It's a bit harder.
Yeah. Where did you come?
How far are you going? How far are you going?
We're going to the yeah.
Yeah, you have to climb about 4 hills.
Yeah, is it steep?
Five, some places very steep.
Yeah.
And
if I give you 50 quid, can you carry us on your backs?
I'll be already. Please, can you already? I'll give 100 pounds. You can get It's very hard.
Yeah.
But it's a challenge. It's good.
Yeah, it's good.
Good about it. We feel good.
Some horses up here.
Horse.
Let's see if I can get some footage of those horses up there just chilling. It's 360 camera.
360 camera?
Yeah.
What'd you do with it?
You could do all create like, so I'm filming everything. so you don't have to point it anywhere. Then afterwards you get the shots that you want, you just pop it into wherever you want it. But I'll be sticking it over the edge of the cliff to get shots like that and flying my drone over, getting more shots.
We thought you were Google Street View.
No streets around here, mate.
Off street, off road.
So I made it to the end. It was a good challenge. It wasn't too hard. At points it was pretty tough. I really did enjoy it. I recommend anyone to come try it out. I'm gonna see what footage I got on this new 360 camera. It's my first time using it. I didn't even get to test it out before I did this. So I really hope I got some good footage for everyone. I got some drone shots. I didn't fly it as much as I wanted. There is this last spot where I can fly it, but it brings back nightmares, because over there is the exact point where I lost my last drone. Okay, so I decided to fly my drone here. I'm going to try and get a shot up there. So fly from here and go up and then catch the people on top of the cliff. Okay, so I've got the drone footage I was looking for. I got it before my last drone, but it crashed at this very spot. So I managed to redeem myself. This is definitely the end of the vlog for today. Thank you all for watching. Check this beach out. Sun's going down, and I'll see you in the next one.